Hello everyone. This is one of Mrs. Davis's favourites. It's called Some Dogs Do. When Sid set off for school one day, a happy feeling came his way. It filled him up so much he found his paws just lifted off the ground. Without a how, without a why, Sid fell up towards the sky. Through swirling puffs of cloud he twirled above a tiny toy town world, in the land of sun and moon, like a doggy-shaped balloon. At school, Sid asked his best friend Ben, "Did you see me fly just then?" "Don't be daft," came Ben's reply. "You're a dog, and dogs don't fly." "But I did," said Sid. "I did. In the classroom, Sid said, "Hey, guess what? I flew to school today." His classmates giggled, yelped and yowled. "Dogs don't fly to school," they howled. "But I did," said Sid. "I did." Miss Mare, the teacher, shook her head. "Now, Sid, you shouldn't lie," she said. "All dogs walk and jump and run, but dogs don't fly. It can't be done." "But I did," said Sid. Gus said, "Right, if you can fly, come outside. Let's see you try." Sid's happiness had gone by then. He tried to get it back again. He thought about the clouds up high, and then he jumped towards the sky. "You see, you're just a dog," said Gus, "with paws for walking, just like us. That'll teach you not to lie. Now you know that dogs don't fly." Oh, poor Sid. When Sid walked home from school that day, it seemed a long and lonely way. And once at home with Mum and Dad, deep inside, he still felt bad. He did the things he always did, but something wasn't right with Sid. His dad came out and asked, "What's up? You seem unhappy, little pup." Sid sat staring at the sky, and all he said was, "Dogs don't fly." Sid's dad slowly raised his head. "I know a secret, Sid," he said. "Could you keep it safe inside?" "What's the secret?" Sid replied. He turned around, and then he knew. Now you know the secret too. Sid's happy eyes were opened wide. "I knew it! Dogs do fly!" he cried. Sid's dad said, "Come, fly then, Sid." And that's exactly what Sid did. Do dogs fly? Is it true? Some dogs don't, and some dogs do.